Hello everyone. So in this video we will review the chapter 1. We have complete 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. In this we will review all the concepts here. So first is, in this question we will find the slope and y-intercept. 2 points are given. So how to find slope if the 2 points are given? Difference of y values over difference of x values. So 600 minus 400 over 3 minus 2. I'm getting 200. So 200 over 1. So slope is 201. What is the meaning of the slope here? Here the x values are weak and the y values are in balance. So that means the balance is increased by $200 every week. And y-intercept. Question is asking what is y-intercept. In this case, y-intercept is 0. So that means at the starting there was no balance. So I will write y equals to mx plus b. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept, which is 0. So equation is 200x. That's it. Let's do the second one. Here the x is representing the percentage discount and y representing the price of pair of shoes. Let's find the slope in this case. Difference of y values. How the y change? It goes down 10 units. Down means negative. How much? 10 units. And what is the x change? It's a 20 units. 10 by 20 is half. So it was a negative. So I will write negative half. So the answer is negative 0.5. And what is the meaning here? The slope. The price of the pair of shoes is decreased by $0.5 for every 1% discount. Okay. And then y-intercept. What is the y-intercept in this case? Y-intercept is 50. So meaning of y-intercept? Without discount, the price of the pair of shoe is $50. It's 50. So let's write the equation. Y equals to mx plus b. M is negative 0.5, x and b is 500. So this is the equation. We got the equation? Alright, that's it. So next here we have a system of equation. Check your solution if possible. So let's solve the question number 3. This is the first equation, second and third. What I am doing to simplify this, I am subtracting first equation and third equation. First minus third. First equation is minus 2x plus y plus 4z equals to 5. Third equation, I have to add. No, we will subtract it. Subtract when the third equation is multiplied by negative. So negative 4x and negative y plus 6z equals to negative 11. Add them. This cancel. Negative 6x. This is 10z and that is negative 6. To make it easy, I am dividing this by 3. Or no, divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. And 2 3s are 6 again. So this is equation number 4. Another we can do multiplying the second equation with the negative. So second equation is multiplied by negative. Add with 3 times the third equation. 3 times the third equation. So let's write minus x minus 3y plus z equals to negative 2. 4 3s are 12x. 3y. 6 3s are 18z equals to 33. This will cancel. 11x minus 17z equals to 31. So this is our fifth equation. We will solve fourth and fifth equation. I am multiplying the fourth equation with 11. So it becomes negative 33x plus 55z equals to negative 33. And equation number 5, I'm multiplying here with the 3. 11 threes are 33. It's a positive 33 here. Negative 17 threes are 51z. 31 into 3, 93. Add them. This cancels. It's a 4z and this is 60. So z is 15. I got the value of z. Now substitute this z value either in equation 4 or in 5. I'm substituting here. Minus 3x 5 times 15 equals to negative 3. Negative 3x 15 5s are 75 equals to negative 3. This will be negative, so negative 3, negative 75. So x equals to, this will be 78, 78 by 3, it's a 26. X is 26. You have a z, you have a x. Substitute z and x in any of the first three equations to calculate y. So substitute. I'm substituting in the second equation because it looks easy. So x is 26, 3 times y is 15 equals to 2. 3y. It's plus 11 equals to 2. 3y equals to 2 minus 11 minus 9. Y equals to negative 3. Done. So we calculate the value of x, y, z. X, y, z. X is 26. Y is negative 3 and z is 15. So that's all. Okay. Let's do the next question. In this question it says graph the function and its parent function, then describe the transformation. Here I am drawing the parent function. The parent function is absolute x. The parent function here is a x here. And the parent function here is y equals to 1. How this parent function absolute x changed to x minus 1? So it is shifted 1 unit right. So its transformation is 1 unit right. So just you can copy this graph and shift it 1 unit right. Everything remains same, just a shift of 1 unit right. That's it. This is how it will look like. Here, what happens? X square. It is inside multiply 3. Whenever multiplication is inside the x, so it's a horizontal, stretch or shrink. Because the number is 3, 3 is greater than 1, so shrink. Horizontal shrink by factor 1 by 3. Horizontal shrink by factor 1 by 3. Next, fx equals to 4. So it was 1. 1 is multiplied by 4 to get 4. The graph will be somewhere here. Y equals to 4. So multiply by 4. And multiply is outside the function. Whenever multiply is outside the function, or you can say complete function is multiplied by a number. It is a vertical shift. Which shift? Stretch or shrink? The number is 4. 4 is greater than 1. In the case of vertical, if the number is greater than 1, it is a stretch. Vertical stretch by factor 4. Vertical stretch by factor 4. Okay, that's it. Here you can draw this. At 1, it gives you 3. The graph will be like this. At 1, it gives you 3. This and this also. This is the graph of 3x whole square. Okay. Let's do next. Now we have to match the transformation of fx equals to x with its graph. Because graph is given, so I will directly substitute the value. It is easy if I check the value at 0. So question number 9, check the value of 0. G of 0 is 2 times f of 0 plus 3. What is f of 0? This is f. F at 0 is 0. So 2 times 0 plus 3. Answer is 3. So your graph must cut at a positive 3 for the question number 9. Here it cuts at negative 3. It's not. It cut at a 1, 2, 3. It's cut at a positive 3. So this is the correct graph for the question number 9. Now look at the 10. 0 is 3 times 0 minus 2. Why? Because f of 0 is 0 minus 2. G of 0 is negative 2. Where it cuts at minus 2? It cuts at a negative 3. And this is already done. This is cut at a minus 2. So this is the correct graph for the question number 10. So it's just 11 is for A, but we can check. G of 0, G of x is negative 2 fx minus 3. Substitute 0. Minus 2 f of 0 negative 3. F of 0 is 0 minus 3. So what's that? Minus 3. This function, the graph of this function will cut at minus 3. At 0. At 0 it's minus 3. So this is the correct graph for the question number 11. So we review all the topics. I hope you understand. In the next video, we will start the chapter 2. Thanks for watching.